UP Class 10 student suffers partial hearing loss after being beaten up by teacher, FIR lodged. KIIT, Gurgaon hosts Inter-School Technology Day competition. IGNOU June T 2024 assignment submission deadline further extended to 31st May. CBSE results. Tripura asks teachers to conduct special classes for Vidyajyoti students who failed to qualify. Delhi University releases guidelines for PhD admission 2024. Details here. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Kiran Raj reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: a teacher of a private school here has been booked for allegedly thrashing a class 10 student, leading to partial loss of hearing, the police said on Sunday. The incident took place on 13th May in the school located in Piproli Barhagaon under the Ubhao police station limits here during a mathematics period that the 14-year-old victim, Pratik, was attending, they added. Pratik's father Praveen Kumar Madhukar lodged a complaint alleging that his son was beaten up by his mathematics teacher Raghavendra after he found the boy talking to another student during the class, Vipin Singh, show of Ubhao police station said. Raghavendra allegedly slapped Pratik several times near his ear, according to the complaint. KIIT, Gurgaon held the Inter-School Technology Day competition where students from different schools showcased their creativity and dedication towards technology and its usage in our life. The event celebrated National Technology Day by emphasizing the significance of technological developments and its usage. In total, 100 students participated in the plethora of activities. The event promoted collaboration and exchange of ideas among students from different schools, promoting a sense of unity in the development of new technology in different fields of life. Inspiring talk on the importance of technology and the role of youth in driving positive change were delivered by our guest speaker Mr. Sunil Bajaj, Director SCERT, which was followed by motivational talk by Dr. S. Agarwal, Director General, KIIT Group of College, about National Technology Day. Outstanding participants in each category received awards for their creativity, innovation and dedication towards importance and role of technology. The Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, has again extended the deadline for submitting assignments for the June 2024 term-end examination, T, to 31st May. The IGNOU June T 2024 exams will be held from 7th June to 13th July 2024. Earlier, the last date to submit the IGNOU June T 2024 assignment was 30th April. With the approval of the competent authority, the last date for submission of assignments, both in hard copy and soft copy, for term-end examinations, June 2024 for extended up to 31st May 2024, said an official notice from IGNOU. An official from the Education Department, on a condition of anonymity, informed that the classes would begin for the students in subjects they got compartmental results. The state government approved to convert a total of 100 schools to Vidyajyoti schools with state-of-the-art facilities for providing quality education in 2021. The Vidyajyoti scheme. As per the CBSE results, the Class 10 and Class 12 recorded 61% and 55% pass percentages this year. CPIM State Secretary Jitendra Chaudhary criticized the former Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb and former Education Minister Rathanlal Nath for the situation and said, "The University Grants Commission, UGC, has decided that starting from the 2024-25 academic session, National Eligibility Test, NET, scores will be utilized for PhD admissions, replacing the entrance exams traditionally held by various universities and higher education institutions, as the recent announcement dated 27th March 2024. Admissions from the upcoming academic year. The weightage for admission will be 70% for net marks and 30% for interview marks. Candidates are advised to keep a close eye on the official website i.e.admission.ur.ac.in for further developments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.